Hello friends, your Punjabi chef is back, and in today's episode, I'm going to prepare something which I learned from my father. We as Punjabi love eating lotus stem. In Hindi, we call it Kamal Kakdi, and in Punjabi, we call it bhe. So join me and let's prepare lotus stem chicken curry Punjabi style. First, we'll start off with slicing the lotus stem. After slicing them, you have to put it in the warm water so that all the dirt and impurities settle on the surface. Lotus stem is a famous vegetable which is not only used in Indian but also in Chinese and Japanese cuisine. It's a hairy vegetable, and to avoid the hair, we cut them in slices. As it takes longer time to cook, we cut them in thin slices.
I've kept the water boiling for lotus stem, and to make it more flavorful, first I'm gonna add juillienes of ginger, 1 tablespoon, 1 bay leaf, half a teaspoon of cloves, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. As the water starts boiling, now I'm gonna add lotus stem to it and cook it till it's 50% done, and rest 50% I'm gonna cook it with the chicken. And the water which we use for boiling, I'm gonna use it as a stock to make our gravy more flavorful.
Let me tell you a quick anecdote about lotus stem. Lotus stem is a great source of vitamin C, which helps in boosting immunity in a person, and it also helps in fighting viral infection. Now we'll start off with chicken marination. First, I'll add the curd, at least 2 to 3 tablespoons. With that, I'm going to add red chili powder, ginger powder, and fennel powder. Mustard oil. Now we'll start mixing it. I've used chicken leg boneless, 300 grams. After marination, let the chicken rest for at least 30 minutes, and then we'll start off with the cooking. Now we'll start off with the cooking. Add oil. With that, 1 tablespoon cumin, few sticks of cinnamon, and few cardamom. Now I'm gonna add chopped ginger garlic, at least 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add in chopped onion. I've used 2 onions. Cook the onions till it's nice golden brown. Onions are nice and brown. Now I start adding chicken. With the chicken, I'm going to add little salt and also teaspoon of hing. As the chicken is 50% done, now I'm going to add chopped tomato. I've used at least 2 tomatoes for this. With the tomatoes, also I'm going to add chopped green chili, as we Punjabis love eating spicy, and with that, half a tablespoon of red chili powder. Now let the chicken get cooked. Now we start adding the lotus stem which we had boiled. Now I'm gonna add chopped coriander, crushed black pepper, and 1 tablespoon garam masala. Give it a nice mix. My chicken is almost ready, but I'm gonna add little stock to it. The stock is just the water which I use for boiling. Now I'm gonna cover the chicken with the lid and let it cook for at least 5 minutes. My chicken is now ready. Now we'll do the plating. Plating is done, and final garnish with some chopped coriander. You can enjoy it with hot steamed rice and pulkas. Please do share your love in the comment section below. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care and goodbye.